Hello everyone, in today's video we'll be taking a look at Full House, the complete series on DVD. Let's get into it. Here we have the front. Nice shot of everyone there. We have Danny, Joey, Jesse, Stephanie, Michelle, and DJ from the first season. Here we have the side. Shot of the house window. And here you have the back. Again, shots of all the characters. All 192 episodes. And it also includes the unaired original pilot. That's very nice. To see who could have been Danny Tanner instead of Bob Saget. And this top part just slides off like so. We have all of the individual seasons right here. All color coordinated. Here we have season 1, disc 1. I like how each box has the episode list on there. See which one has your favorite, and also who wrote it and when it came out. That's pretty nice. Great touch. And also has some little images from the first season from some of the episodes. Got a spine. And the back showing what's on disc 2. And going inside, we have disc 1, disc 2 with Jesse and Danny. Great disc art on these. And behind disc 1 we just have a cast list of who played who, along with some background art. I believe you can also reverse these as well, but I like it how it is currently. We have season 1, disc 3 and 4. All the episodes there. In the back with episodes for disc 4. Then we have the discs for 3 and 4. Joey on 3 and the girls on 4. And here we have box set for season 2, discs 1 and 2. All the episodes. We have spine, purple. And the episode list for disc 2. And going inside, we just have plain blank discs with only the titles on them. I'm disappointed they didn't add anything to these discs, but oh well, at least we still have them and it's here. We have season 2, discs 3 and 4 of the episode list. Episode list for disc 4. We also have some bonus features on this one. And going inside, we still have the blank discs and the same background art. We have season 3, discs 1 and 2. The episodes. Spine. The episode list for disc 2. And going inside, we are back to disc art with Jesse and Danny. Very nice. We have season 3, discs 3 and 4. The episode lists. Episodes for disc 4. And going inside, we have discs 3 and 4 with Joey and the girls, and different background art on this one. We have the background art. Everyone all dressed up in white tie. great image. We have Season 4, Discs 1 and 2, the episode lists, spine in green, episode lists for Disc 2, and going inside, here we have Disc 1, all the girls on it, DJ, Stephanie, and Michelle, and Danny on Disc 2, along with main cast on the background art, for all the main cast, along with cast listing. We have Season 4, Discs 3 and 4, the episode lists, episodes for Disc 4, and going inside we have Disc 3 is Joey, and Disc 4 is Rebecca and Jesse, and same background art as before. We have Season 5, Disc 1 and 2, episodes for Disc 1, spine in blue, and episodes for Disc 2. Going inside, we have Disc 1 with the girls, and Disc 2 with Rebecca and Jesse, and some little window pane still or portraits of the characters on the back. We have Season 5, Disc 3 and 4, episode lists for Disc 3, episode lists for Disc 4, going inside, we have Disc 3 with Danny, and Disc 4 with Joey. We have Season 6, Disc 1 and 2, episode lists for Disc 1, spine in red, episode lists for Disc 2. Going inside, we have Disc 1, the girls, and Disc 2 with Danny. We have Season 6, Discs 3 and 4, all the episodes for Disc 3, episodes for Disc 4, going inside for Disc 3, we have Joey. For Disc 4, we have Jesse and Rebecca. We have Season 7, Discs 1 and 2, all the episodes, spine, a light purple. Here we have the episodes for Disc 2. And going inside, we have Disc 1, the girls, and Disc 2 is Danny. And here we have the background art, all the groups of characters, all the cast members, Nikki and Alex, and Steve, Kimmy Gibbler. We have Season 7, Discs 3 and 4, all the episodes. We have the episodes for Disc 4. And going inside on Disc 3 we have Joey, and Disc 4 we have Jesse and Rebecca. And last but not least, we have the final season, Season 8, Discs 1 and 2. All the episodes. Spine in purple. The episodes for Disc 2. And going inside, unfortunately in this one, they are just blank discs. But we have some nice background art on the back. And here we have the background. All the characters for the final season. And here we have Season 8, Disc 3 and 4. The episode lists for Disc 3. The episode lists for Disc 4. And going inside, same blank discs and the same background art as before. That is it for today's video. Once again, we have the Full House complete series on DVD. Now, originally, I was going to get the version of this box set that it looked more like the house, and you took the roof off, and this front part here swung out, and you had all the DVDs in the front, and you kind of pulled them out. But I saw this one first at Target, and I decided to get it rather than waiting and having stuff shipped on eBay. So I'm glad that I got this set. I've been wanting to get it for a while, and I'm happy to have it. And before we go, I'd just like to say, stay tuned for tomorrow for a very special unboxing that will be uploaded at some point tomorrow. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or anything that you would like to know, feel free to leave them down in the comments and I will answer them in the next video. As always, if you enjoy what you see, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any more of these videos. And if you feel like helping out, you can donate by PayPal in the link below. If you don't want to do that, perfectly understandable. I appreciate that you keep coming back and watching the videos. And once again, stay tuned tomorrow for a very special unboxing, and I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great day!